Hi everyone, this is Gene with MasterGraphics, and today I'd like to talk about a few general maintenance tips and cleaning tips on the HP JetFusion 580 Color 3D printer. It's important to keep your printer clean between builds. It keeps the printer running smoothly and your parts accurate. And the first thing you'd want to do is get yourself an explosion-proof vacuum cleaner. That's important. And then just vacuum up the white leftover material in the general building area and then the build chamber. Second, you want to lift up the menu panel and you can access the fusing lamp. And you would just pull that lever and you'd want to make sure that there's no debris on the lens of the fusing lamp. That's very important for the machine to run accurately. Clean behind it. And then you'd want to move over to the print head area. And again, you just want to vacuum up all the white leftover material from the printer and put that back in place. And then the third step is to clean the filter system down below. And again, you would just want to vacuum the filter and then any leftover material in the chamber. And again, it's important to clean in between builds. Like I said, it keeps your 3D printer running smoothly and the parts coming out more accurate. You want to put the menu control panel down, close the lamp. And the nice thing about the JetFusion 580 is the menu walks you through the whole cleaning process. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-873-7238. Thanks, and have a great day.